Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up auto lock for enhanced privacy. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to begin by pairing your phone with your Windows device using Bluetooth. Then go to Settings and now go to Accounts. Now scroll down, click on Sign In options. Here you can see Dynamic Lock. You have to click on it. Now here you can see allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. You have to turn on this button. And now you have to simply carry your phone with you whenever you step away from your Windows device. It will lock itself about a minute after you are out Bluetooth range. That's it. So this is how you can set up auto lock for enhanced privacy. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.